this may look like the future, but this is the type of things that are being done today for the last 5 years now. And the factory of the future, as we would say in the past, is now today. And it's available and it's affordable and really provides strong return on investments. So, simulating your warehouse to find the optimized solutions, and then putting in the system with the warehouse racking and conveyors, as John mentioned, and an ERP, MRP overlay is very, very palatable to do and will save you a tremendous amount of money. So, John, your comments.
Yeah, what you see here is a receiving system, you see a picking system, and you also see some robotics involved here. And robotics is really becoming more and more prevalent, especially now with the discussion of AI and things like that nature. But I will tell you that more and more we're beginning to see automation because of the labor shortage. We're beginning to look a lot more like the European economy, where in Europe, people get like 8 weeks vacation and they have a labor shortage and they pay people with the minimum wage always going up now. So a lot of people years ago in America, we would have in picking systems, they would throw bodies at it. Now they're talking about using, there's robotic arms for picking and the sortation systems like you see here and so on and so forth. So I think you're going to see more of a move toward the European. And one of the products that we're seeing a lot of is what they call a vertical lift, which can go up to 52 feet high, and it stores small parts. It can be locked up at night for jewelry and so on and so forth. And a lot of people are beginning to use that because in a small footprint, you can store a lot of items. But here you see a lot of automation going on at one time from start to finish, from receiving to shipping.